Welcome to Romantic Depot. How can I help you guys?
Yeah, we ready to spice things up.
You do know you have to know your partner's limitations.
I agree. When I was younger, I used to make a lot of stupid mistakes. But I'm ready to learn more.
Get informed. Help stop violence against women. Visit a Romantic Depot near you and pick up your free pamphlet.
Thanks to Romantic Depot, I now know how to treat women with dignity and respect.
Visit Romantic Depot Rockland. Go to romanticdepot.com for directions.
Make sure you go visit Romantic Depot for all your Valentine's gifts.
Whoa, that's inappropriate. This is not allowed, and this is not family friendly on this family friendly channel of Xscript YouTube. Xscript, what do you have to say about this?
Hey, Romantico69 is back. Oh, that was a very inappropriate advert. We should have not done this. Sorry to all the parents out there. Now what do you got to say about this photo, about Valentine's Day?
This photo is very inappropriate because it's a gamer girl. Ooh, candy. Wait a sec, why does the candy have weird things written on it? Hey, this isn't allowed.
Alright guys, so we're going to talk about how to get a Valentine on Valentine's Day. Alright guys, so today's purpose of this video is to how to get a Valentine's Day on Valentine's Day. So we're totally not rushing this. So here's to talk about what do's and do nots about Valentine's Day.
Okay, so here are some don'ts. Don't give that really bad, like, Smarties candy that tastes like worse than Advil. Whoa. Remember to don't go to YouTube Premium because that's very inappropriate. This is what you do and how it's what you really do for Valentine's Day is that you go into the dark web and adopt a Russian slave from Russia, and then what you do there is then that's your Valentine. So that's how you do it. Also, speaking of Russian slaves from the internet, I'd like you to know that I found myself half off on adoptahumanbeing.org. What's that sound? Hey, they're putting me in a box. I'm being shipped to China.
Time for to talk about candies you should buy on Valentine's Day.
Okay, first candy on the list is Snickers. I would usually say Snickers are gay, but because Valentine's Day it isn't gay, because it's not gay if you say no homo. Ooh, Skittles, but it's pink Skittles. Pink Skittles suck. Just eat normal Skittles. They're cheaper and they taste better. Stupid. Next one, Swedish fish. Swedish fishes are very good, but I don't like them because this one time I was fishing and I was in Switzerland, and then I ate it, and they're like, "Yo, why did you eat that fish? It was endangered." I'm like, "But it's a Swedish fish," and I'm like, "Sir, you're in Switzerland."
Ooh, whoa. That was a very inappropriate video or topic. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. Do not listen to any of our tips. We're sorry if you get a restraining order on some girl that you try to ask out. Do not follow our advice. What do you gotta say?
What's that sound? I kind of heard like the FBI come through the door.
Yeah, because you were looking at a girl that was 14.